Hi guys, my name is Pranay. Actually, I need to do a video with an assignment called 5302. Hope so it will go good. Okay. Actually, it's a project. Fine. I'll start it now. I'm done with my laptop and have some printouts. Put on a big reset with this. Okay. I'll start it now. Okay. Introduction. This is a documentation report about the improvement of an installation company call center and making their daily organization routine much easier, automated, and faster to make the process very easy and faster. Installation company roles to install instructions in different homes, like something like gas or Wi-Fi, all these operations. It therefore has number of employees that help in the process, like an organization, like an office. These employees are the sales representatives and the staff members who make calls to various homes and record phone scripts on spreadsheets for appointments. If they are busy, they need to call them again back. So they need to have some documentary spreadsheets. The call center staff sometimes get into situation where they are engaged members and no answer. So where they need to record it that no feedback from the customer or something. Okay, that's the introduction now. The work breakdown structure is the first point in our topic. Yeah, this is a method of breaking down a project into several deliveries, tasks, and subtasks. Yeah, if there's a project we need to make in the step-by-step process, like making the task in these how many days it's going on. Like, okay, in the task we get like defining the needs of the system, all these things. Documentation review to understand system operation takes 1 day. Meet the system users to collect information takes 2 days. Meet the customer and collect information from their end. All these stuff with the name details. All this it takes 1 day. Do a comparison of two reports that take 2 days. Planning on the project we need to plan it out of the project, all this stuff. Okay, design a work schedule for 2 days, design a work plan for 2 days, and we need to analyze the project too. Okay, meet the project team manager, it takes 1 day. Meet the project team manager, yeah, take 1 day. Meeting the company staff, yeah, that's 1 day. Design the project. For everything we need to have some planning, analysis, and design to make it good and worthy. So the design of the project takes like design of the back end of the system 2 days, design of the front end 2 days. Okay, and the building of the project at large, the result, coding, testing, under training. Yeah, it takes 3 days. Delivering the project will take 1 day. All this in the first task. It's work breakdown structure. Now goes to the second task, product vision statement. Yeah, the product vision statement. The world is changing positively on a daily basis and becoming a better working environment to current technologies and trends. Yeah, it's going on like generations, all this stuff. This is my organization should adopt automated process and move away from slow manual operations as an encounter losses. These losses in an organization may include low customer satisfaction, yeah, the customer satisfaction low in with this product vision, and increase employee turnover rate, and rising the number of errors made by staff members, all these in the company. It does this by installing installations at home that help slow down conductivity heat flow to reduce retain heat gain in the houses. Additionally, they need not waste any contact leads. They get so as it has it washed to do the not call register as required by Australian law. Okay, we got some steps in this. Easy access to the residential data bank, making calls to customers and recording the phone, script answers, give a rank the sales lead value of the sales representative. All these, okay, time effectiveness, that's the main one. Increase customer satisfaction, this also is a very important one. Saving of finance, employee satisfaction, this all come under the step 2 product vision statement. Now we are getting to the task 3 called stakeholder analysis. Activate participation and involvement of various stakeholders associated with the system and vital. The stakeholders should participate during product development and equipment of various user requirements. Yeah, for sure, he need to be there. The stakeholder, we have 5 different things: stakeholder, rules, attitude, authority, power, and influence in the categories of it. I have done it with my assignment. I have a big picture of it. You can have a good clarification of it. Okay, we get some categories in it like management, team leaders, project manager, shareholder and creditors, developer and sales representatives, all this call center. That's the main one. External regulators and customer. Yeah, here's a very important one we need to take care. And the fourth task is allocations. Elicitation. Yeah. Eliciting the requirements is one of the main phase that is required for system analysis. Yeah, that's sure. It involves getting perfect system results after analyzing and specifying the requirements of the customer. The requirements should always be consistent, correct, clear. For sure, it should be the clear. Survey or questionnaire elicitation technique. This is the first one. Prototype technique. This is the second one. It's very important one. Interviews and brainstorming. This all come under the task 4, elicitation. The task 5, it's an important one, as is process flow diagram. The diagram, it took like half an hour for me for that diagram. Yeah, I did a big research for that. The following activity diagram, as is process for the organization, and show how the current flow of activities going on taking place. The diagram give detail. I've done it in the assignment. You can have a good clean picture of it. That gives a good meaning for this assignment. This comes under the fifth one. It's the as is process flowchart. And the last second called 6 stars called product backlog. I've done it. Different stakeholders have their own different expectations of the proposed system, and therefore product backlog is used for document these needs. Yeah, it also gave guidelines of the implementation process, sense requirements and gathering. Yeah, as and I want to, and so that call center staff, this all come under this. We got so many in this. I want to, so that fine. Yeah, this all come under the product 6 one. Yeah, we have somewhat in product 6. The task 6 called Moscow analysis provides a priority technique on how to manage requirements of the stakeholders involved in the development project. We got a big chart here. Yeah, we got different 4 stages like priority, as, and I want to, so that must. It totally depends upon the call center staff. Or yeah, and the last one is use cases. The 7th task, it takes me like so much time to get this chart. Okay, the use case is a behavior diagram that consists of user cases and actors involved in it. Yeah, one customer with the call center 1. Yeah, log in the software, make calls to home, book the appointments, take the home measurements, check the commission, all the reports. Yeah, that's a small flow chart, makes a big meaning. Yeah, that's the 7th one. And we got all the system graphs, usernames and passwords, how to get in, how to log out, all the process, book the appointment, initialize, post product, condition, exponential, orders of activity. All this I have done in the assignment. Okay, thank you.